Today I am reviewing the B-Air Firtana 20-inch high-velocity electric garage floor fan. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you are trying to beat the heat in a stuffed garage, a bustling workshop, or a demanding industrial warehouse, then you already know that a standard household plastic fan just isn't going to cut it. You need real, heavy-duty air velocity to keep the environment safe and comfortable. Today, we are taking an in-depth look at a product designed specifically to tackle those exact high-heat challenges, which is the B-Air Firtana 20-inch high-velocity electric garage floor fan. This machine, officially designated as the SAFF-20 model, is an absolute workhorse engineered for both heavy industrial environments and rugged home use. Whether you are dealing with thick summer heat waves, managing stagnant air around heavy machinery, or just looking to dry out a damp basement, this high-velocity floor fan stands out as a powerful and highly reliable solution. Let's dive straight into what makes this fan a must-have tool for your workspace. The very first thing that becomes clear when you turn on the B-Air Firtana is the sheer volume of powerful, high-velocity airflow it generates. This is not a gentle breeze machine. It is designed to move vast amounts of air rapidly, making it the perfect companion for those sweltering summer days when heat waves hit hard. This industrial-strength wind capability is incredibly versatile. It is robust enough to cool down workers moving around a massive commercial shop, yet it is equally at home on a residential outdoor patio while you are winding down after a long day at work enjoying a cold drink. An interesting bonus feature for residential users is that because this fan packs a serious, heavy-duty internal electric motor, it creates a loud, consistent, and satisfying white noise on its higher settings. If you are someone who absolutely requires a deep acoustic background blur to fall asleep or drown out noisy neighbors, this fan delivers an incredible auditory environment alongside its immense cooling power. In terms of physical design and structural integrity, B-Air has built the Firtana to survive the rough-and-tumble conditions of an active workshop. It features an all-metal, heavy-duty housing coated in a sleek, professional black finish. This durable metal construction ensures that the fan can take the occasional accidental bump or kick from tools without denting or rattling. Furthermore, the housing is smartly engineered to be incredibly easy to assemble right out of the box, and it can be taken apart just as effortlessly when it comes time for routine maintenance and cleaning off accumulated dust. Safety was also a top priority in its construction, featuring a tightly spaced small grid pattern across the safety grills. This small grid spacing prevents accidental fingers, rogue tools, or curious pet paws from ever coming into contact with the fast-moving fan blades, giving you total peace of mind regardless of whether it is operating around your children, pets, or employees. Versatility and user control are where the Firtana truly shines as a multifunctional air circulator. It features 3 distinct speed settings, allowing you to easily throttle the airflow from a highly effective lower speed for close quarters work up to a maximum velocity gale force for whole room ventilation. It also boasts a fully adjustable, 360-degree tilt fan head, meaning you can precisely aim the column of air exactly where you need it most, whether that is straight at your workbench, along the floor to dry a fresh spill, or pointed directly up at the ceiling to break up hot thermal layers. Adding to its convenience is a rugged, integrated portable carrying handle that lets you move the fan around your property with absolute ease. And because it is UL certified, you can rest assured that the electrical and mechanical components have been rigorously tested to meet the highest safety standards in the industry. What makes this fan even more impressive is its ability to adapt to different mounting configurations depending on your floor space availability. While it works beautifully as a portable floor fan, the base structure is designed so that you can easily hang it directly onto a wall. For example, if you have a cramped kitchen that traps heat while cooking, or a small garage filled with vehicles, you can mount the Firtana up high to constantly circulate the hot air out of the room without taking up a single square inch of valuable walking space. B-Air clearly stands behind the quality, durability, and reliability of their engineering, backing this unit with a solid 1-year manufacturer warranty. Ultimately, the B-Air Firtana 20-inch high-velocity floor fan delivers an exceptional balance of brute air-moving power, bulletproof metal construction, and flexible placement options, making it a stellar 5-star addition to any home or industrial setting.